Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Hamster Kombat with Binance and withdraw your Hamster Kombat coins straightly to Binance. So this was a new update and I'm just going to show you in a second. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Hamster Kombat, you want to go ahead and click on airdrop option. And once you are on airdrop option, you will see here that you can go ahead and earn points and also withdrawal option. So on the withdrawal option, you will see all of these. And as you can see, there is Binance Exchange, but KYC is needed. So you want to click on Binance Exchange. If you already have a Binance account, just click yes, I have it. If not, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for Binance with a $100 bonus in the description, so you can sign up on Binance and then again click yes, I have it. So after that, as you can see, you need to register. So you're gonna click register, copy the code and click register, and yes. After that, you will need to log into your Binance. After that, as you can see, on September 21st, there will be off-chain deposit and 24th Binance confirmation or decline. Here you will need to enter your Hamster Kombat deposit address and a memo from your Binance. Now, in order to have Hamster Kombat deposit address and a memo, you will need to wait a little bit because as you can see, it didn't started yet. And after it will be listed on Binance, you will see it there. So you're gonna enter it right there and you will be able to withdraw it after September 26th, I believe. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.